Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain easy Sudoku tricks. We'll start by understanding the fundamental rules, ensuring each row, column, and 3x3 box contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once. Then, we'll dive into practical strategies to help you quickly fill in numbers. These methods are designed to make solving Sudoku puzzles more intuitive and enjoyable, whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your speed. Get ready to master the grid with confidence and precision. Our first key strategy is finding single candidates. This means looking for an empty cell where, by checking its row, column, and 3x3 box, only one specific digit can possibly fit. It's a powerful starting point that helps you confidently place many numbers early on. By systematically applying this technique, you'll build a solid foundation for tackling the rest of the puzzle with greater ease and accuracy. Next, let's explore hidden singles and naked pairs. A hidden single is when a number can only be placed in one specific cell within a row, column, or 3x3 box, even if other numbers could also fit there. A naked pair involves two cells in a unit that can only contain two specific digits, allowing you to eliminate those digits from other cells in that unit. These methods are excellent for deeper deductions. Finally, we'll look at block and line interactions. This involves understanding how numbers within a 3x3 block can influence possibilities in its intersecting rows and columns, and vice versa. For example, if a number can only be in two cells within a block, and those cells are in the same row, that number cannot be anywhere else in that row outside the block. Mastering these connections will significantly boost your solving abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.